for my life, let's do a get ready with me or makeup routine using the Boxycharm products and the products that we're going to be using in our Shop My Stash. So I'm taking this Glow Recipe hyaluronic gloss bomb and I'm applying that first before I apply my makeup. And I'm also going to take this Kinship exfoliating wipe pad and exfoliate my face prior to doing my makeup as well. So we're just going to be doing skincare, and I'm going to be trying to incorporate all of the skincare products that I received from my Boxycharm box in January and February. So you guys saw me pick up the Pixie Rose Oil and I'm applying that all over my face. And then I'm also taking this primer from Bella Pierre, I believe. And I'm going to link everything in the description box down below if I remember. But all of this I got from my Boxycharm box. And if you guys want to see all of the products, then I am going to post that Boxycharm video sometime soon, or I'm going to have it linked in this video. So I'm taking this Dominique Cosmetics eyebrow gel, and I'm using this to basically prime my eyebrows and get them kind of stuck in place. So I'm going to take this foundation that I got from a Boxycharm from years ago, maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty, the hyaluronic foundation, I believe. I could be wrong. I'm going to put it in the description box down below. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm also going to be taking the Fenty concealer and using that for my foundation and concealer. I'm taking this eyebrow pencil that was also in my Boxycharm video. Like I said, if you guys want to see everything that was in my Boxycharm video for January and February, I will leave a link to that video down below in the description bar. And I am very aggravated with Boxycharm, might I add, because I also bought the icon box, but I still haven't gotten my icon box, and it is literally, y'all, it's March now and I still don't have my icon box, and that's still super annoying to me. But I'm taking some concealer and I'm putting that on my eyelid and I'm blending that in. You guys are not going to get an ending clip of the makeup, but I'm going to use a clip from my Shop My Stash video. I thought I recorded the ending clip, but for whatever reason, I do not have it, or I couldn't find it to edit. But I'm taking this palette from my Boxycharm box. I'm sorry, I can't remember if it was in my Boxycharm box or if it was in my Boxycharm mystery bags, because I also have that video up as well. My Boxycharm mystery bags, I received a few products that I enjoyed, but realistically, you guys, I think that the overall hype of Boxycharm is pretty much gone. I think it went out the window along with the name changing, or them I guess selling out to Ipsy, or Ipsy buying them out. Boxycharm is just not the same anymore. And I mean, their shipping is horrible. Their customer service, in my opinion, is not the best. I want to be able to get on the phone and tell somebody what my problem is. The fact that I always have to email or communicate with somebody via chat is really aggravating. And overall, Boxycharm, Ipsy, the whole shebang bang, I think the hype about them is over. It's pretty much done. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep up doing Boxycharm videos, especially if I don't get my damn icon box soon. And I'm not going to lie though, this little combo that I got with the brow and this brown brow gel, this brown eyeliner that you guys are about to see me use is bomb. I do like this little combination here. So I use the brow pencil. I don't know if it's supposed to be a lip pencil or not, because I use it for a lip pencil and an eyebrow pencil. I thought the brow pencil was really nice, really smooth, but I do think it's more of a lip pencil. And I love this brown eyeliner pen. I think it is so bomb, and I love just that natural brown Because sometimes I don't like to do a black liner, but when you do that brown liner, it looks really cute, okay? So I'm also going to be taking this mascara, and I'm sorry, y'all, that I'm not remembering the names right now. I'm only remembering the names to a few of the products, but like I said, I'm going to leave the video where I talked about all of these products individually in the description bar. But I do know that other mascara is from Ink Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken, and I really do love that mascara, or I think it's Blink mascara. Realistically, the best thing that I got from Boxycharm is this right here, and that's this Pat McGrath bronzer. One, it's my color. Y'all already know when you get in skincare products and you get in products that are supposed to be catered to your skin color, a lot of times if you are in the browner side of things, Boxycharm just do not get it right, y'all. They just don't get it right. So when I got this Labs bronzer from Pat McGrath, I was so excited, but I was more excited that it was actually my shade and I can actually use it. And Gabrielle Union was the face of the icon box for Boxycharm, and she also had some foundation picks in there, I guess. So I'm really annoyed, okay, that I didn't get my Boxycharm box. But you guys, this is basically what I ended up doing for the look. Like, this is my natural everyday kind of look, and I'm just using Boxycharm products to achieve that. I never really do too much with my lips or eyes or anything like that. I like mascara. I like to browning of the lid, like get some color on the lid, and sometimes I'll just throw on a gloss and call it a day, you know, just a cute little regular 1-2-1-2. Y'all get in the comment section, let me know how you like this video. I am going to come out with more looks, but for now I just been getting settled into my apartment, getting settled into trying to consistently create new content across all my platforms, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been hard. It's been real hard for me, y'all. It's been real hard for me. But y'all get in the comment section. Let me know how you like this look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload.